Hello class, welcome to my YouTube channel, Matkarit. For this video presentation, let us talk about how to find the missing term and ratio in geometric sequence. So without further ado, let's go to the problem. Okay, so let us go to the first problem. So let me read to you. The first term of this geometric sequence is 3 and the eighth term is 384. Then find the common ratio. Okay, so we are tasked to find here the common ratio. Okay, so let me give you the given. So our S of 1 is equals to 3. Here, this is the first term. Next, our number of terms is 8. Is the number of term 8. Next is the last term. This is 384. It is called the S of n. That is the last term is equals to 384. Okay. So now let us solve the problem. That is to find the common ratio. So we can do that with the help of the geometric sequence formula. So we have the S of n is equals to the S of 1. You multiply that with the common ratio raised to the number of term minus 1. Okay. So our S of 1 or S of n, sorry, is 384. Then missing also, given also is the S of 1, which is 3. Then our missing is the common ratio R. Our number of term is 8 here, then minus 1. Okay. So let us solve this. So 384. Next, you have to multiply this 3 to r, so it becomes now 3r. Then raised to the power of 7 kasi subtract natin yung 1 sa 8. So next, we want to find the value of r, is the common ratio. So to do that, we have to divide both sides by 3 para ma-isolate yung r. So 3. Then we can cancel this. So this is r to the power of 7. Then 384 divided by 3. That is 128. Is 128. Okay, so we will apply the exponential concept plus. So 128, we can make this as exponential. We have 2 to the power of 7. This is r to the power of 7. Okay, so the rule says in exponent, when the exponent of both sides are equal, we can cancel and write the base. So we can cancel the 7 and we can write the base. So r is equals to 2. Okay, class? So I hope that these presentations find helpful to you. Okay. Okay, so let us proceed to problem number 2. If the third term is 18 and the common ratio is 3, find the first term. Okay, so that is our problem. The first term. First term is missing. Okay, first term is missing. Okay, so we will use the formula again. The S of n of the geometric sequence, again formula, is equals to the first term multiplied that with the common ratio raised to the number of terms minus 1. Okay, so our given in this problem, okay, So the S sub n is given, which is 18. Okay, this is our last term for S sub n. Then what else? The common ratio. So the common ratio R is equals to 3. Next, our first term for S sub 1 that is missing. That is our problem. Okay. So we can substitute our S sub n is 18. May yatang magsulat nitong ano po, pin. Next, give 5. Hindi pala given yung S sub 1. So, S sub 1 lang siya. Then, our common ratio is 3. Okay. And also, given is the n. For number of term is 3. So we have 3 minus 1. Okay, let us solve. So 18, that is equals to sub 1. Okay, magsulat dito okay, sub 1 multiply that, this become now 3 to the power of 2. Subtract natin yung 1 sa 3. So copy again 18, then is sub 1 missing, multiply that, this becomes now 9. Okay, so copy again yung 18, then this is sub 1 times 9, that is 9 times the sub 1. Okay, so again, to isolate A, we have to divide both sides by 9. Okay, this is 9. So, okay. So, 18 divided by 9, that is 2. The 9 divided by 9, that is 1. Or cancel. So, therefore, our A sub 1 is 2. Okay, did you get class? Pusin ko lang pagsulat. This is A sub 1. So, nahanap natin yung missing, that is A sub 1 is equals to 2. So, I hope that you learned also class with this video. Okay, so what about this problem number 3? So we are asked that what is the common ratio of the geometric sequence 3, 12, 48, and 92? Okay, so to solve this problem, we have the formula in solving this problem. We have the R for the common ratio is equals to the A sub 2 divided by the A sub 1. So the A sub 2 plus, that is the second term, and the A sub 1 is the first term. So since the A sub 2 or second term is given, that is 12, then divided by the first term, which is 3. So our common ratio is 4. Did you get it, class? Okay. Okay, so what about this problem number 4? So find the missing term in the geometric sequence. We have 5, then blank, 45, and 135. So as you notice, the missing is the second term. So to solve that problem, to find the missing is we need to calculate the common ratio. So the formula for the common ratio is R is equals to the A sub 2 over the A sub 1. However, in this problem, we do not have the A sub 2. So we can find another way. We can divide the A sub 4 over the A sub 3. And the result is still the common ratio. So our A sub 4 is 135. That is 135. Then divide it by the third term, which is 45. Uniform na lang. So 45. So you can get your calculator. 135 divided by 45 is 3. So therefore, this is our common ratio. So once we have the common ratio, or solve the common ratio, we can find the second term. By how? We'll just multiply the first term. First term is 5. Just multiply it by the common ratio of 3. So this becomes 15. Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15. So therefore, our missing term here is 15. Okay, so did you get it, class? Okay, so I hope that I'll give you a learning with this video presentation. So it is much better that you are exposed with different problems about the geometric sequence, so that when you are solve a problem that is related to geometric sequence, then you can easily solve the problem, because again you are exposed to the different problems about the geometric sequence. So I hope that you learn again with this video presentation. Until next video, thank you for watching.